Microsoft is set to unveil new AI models and deeper Windows integration at Build. The operating system itself is becoming an AI funnel. For most of the AI wave, intelligence lived in applications a person chose to open. A browser tab, a coding tool, a separate window. The operating system stayed neutral, a surface that ran whatever software the user installed. That separation mattered for anyone handling sensitive work, because it kept a clear line between the machine and the cloud. Build signals that line moving. When AI becomes a native layer of the platform itself, the question of what leaves the device stops being a setting and starts being the default. According to The Verge, Microsoft is expected to use its Build Developer Conference to introduce new in-house AI models and a wave of Windows improvements aimed at developers. Reporting points to a new dev mode that exposes agentic capabilities directly inside the operating system, alongside model updates that run closer to the system level. The framing is developer productivity, tighter loops between the editor, the terminal, and AI assistants, with Windows acting as the connective tissue. Microsoft has spent 2 years pushing Copilot across its products, and Build looks set to deepen that. Moving AI from a feature bolted onto apps toward a capability baked into the platform every workflow runs on top of. For a federal compliance team, a tribal council, a regulated filings practice, platform-level AI raises a sharp question. Where does the work actually go? When intelligence is woven into the operating system, the data perimeter is decided by the vendor's defaults, not by the buyer. The harness pattern inverts that. A custom agentic system engineered for one workflow, running on hardware the customer owns, with inference they choose, local or frontier, reached over a private VPN they control. The deliverable never crosses a perimeter the buyer did not draw. Platform AI is convenient precisely because it is everywhere. For sensitive work, everywhere is the problem. Sovereignty is the deliberate choice to keep the workflow inside a boundary the organization defined. The obvious pushback, Microsoft's integration will be smoother and fighting the platform is a losing game. True on convenience, but convenience and control are different purchases. Build makes AI ambient across Windows, which is ideal for general work and wrong for regulated work, where the value is knowing exactly what left the machine. The harness does not compete on ambient reach. It competes on a boundary the buyer can prove with inference that stays swappable underneath it. If your work runs under compliance rules, council, federal filings, or regulated records, and a platform default now decides where your data goes, the answer is not a better assistant. It is ownership. See SlipSpace AI, custom agentic AI harnessed around your workflow.